Welcome back to my channel, the channel for loners, where I put you on. Because if I don't put you on, who's gonna put you on? And today, we're gonna assemble my brand new office chair.
Let me tell you this, on the road and me gal don't mix, I'm just a loner.
I purchased this office chair from Amazon. It's the Misolant M1600, and it comes in this enormous box. I was not expecting such a big box. And I opened it up. It has all of these pieces in there. So I'm gonna take them out.
Listen, seeing you got ritualistic plans in my soul of addiction for now, 'cause I'm falling apart. Tension between us just like picket fences. You got issues that I won't mention for now, 'cause we're falling apart. Miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my old ways. I can't blame you, no, no. I'm passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my old ways. I can't blame you, no, no.
Oh gosh, nah. I already starting to sweat. This thing has a lot of screws and nuts and bolts, pipes upon pipes. Yeah, I would be lying if I said I'm not intimidated by all of this material. But I'm gonna use this instruction manual and I'm gonna try and get it done, y'all. I've never assembled something in my life, but I know how to read and follow instructions. And this is the channel for loners, where we don't give up. I don't have any friends. I don't have any family members who can help me with this. To hell with it. We're just going to get it done. So we're going to trust the process, stick through it with me, and we'll see if I can assemble this chair.
Listen, seeing you got ritualistic plans in my soul of addiction for now, 'cause I'm falling apart. Tension between us just like picket fences. You got issues that I won't mention for now, 'cause we're falling apart. The things you say, passing up on my old ways. I can't blame you, no, no. Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my old way. Passive with the things you say, passing up on my old ways. I can't blame you, no.
And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. My recliner chair, my office chair is complete. I was able to assemble it. For the grand finale, you guys, I got this one specifically because it comes with this way. I got one that comes with a footrest, y'all. Look. Yes. I was able to put together my chair all by myself. And now I can work at peace, in peace. I totally recommend the Misolant M1600. It was easy to assemble. I'm lying. I was busting a sweat. Trying to get this all together. But it wasn't difficult. The instructions are easy to follow. Once you put your mind to it, anything is possible. There's no need to wait for someone to fix something for you or put something together. This is my first time assembling anything, and I did it, and we're gonna do it again. Thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I know you're proud of me. Hit the like button, comment down below. Go girl, black girl magic. I put together my chair. We litty.
Let me tell you this, on the road and me gal don't mix, I'm just all round.